Okay, I have here my second assignment that I call assignment 2 as a package. And then I create the class input for our user inputs. We are going to ask these questions right here, like what is your name, how old are you, what's your gender, and the other ones. Our system is gonna give one by one the questions, and we are going to scan here with this scanner the user one, and we are going to get the value, the input value, and save for the first question, that what is your name. We're gonna save the value on the variable name. This variable we define as a string value. Same way for how old are you, but this different than name because the age value we're gonna get is gonna be an integer. So we define this variable as integer. When we are going to get like gender, place, address, work name for our question as where do you work, same as role, we are going to use all these variables as string value. Then we have two last questions that what is your salary and how much will be the raise for next year. These two values, because it's money, we're gonna define as double for salary. So the user input number 2 will be a value, and this double value, and same way for the raise that we'll get for next year. So the user input 2 will be the as double value. Then after that, entering all our answers to the questions, we'll print out, system print out, print a line, as in one paragraph all the information we enter as users, concatenated with other text right here to make it more friendly for the user as output. And at the end, we're gonna add the salary plus the raise we will get for the next year, and we'll show one result. Okay, so we're gonna here we have to close every input user input values. So for the first one and the second one, and we're gonna run our program. All right, so the first question goes, what's your name? My name is Claudia. How old are you? I'm 44, 40 years old. What is your gender? Female. Where are you from? I live in Aubrey. I work in BSG. What is my role? I'm a specialist. And my salary, 1,000. And how much raise I will have? Yeah. So at the end, they show me the line where I concatenate all my results. Like, hello, my name is Claudia. I'm 40 years old, female. I work at BSG as a specialist. I currently live in Aubrey. I'm originally from Bolivia. I will make $40,000 this year, and I will get $5,000 as annual raise. So my total salary will be $40,000 next year. That'll be the end of the assignment. Thank you.